okay? So, and let me tell you what, if I can't see your eyes, then I'm gonna feel that you're a threat to me, okay?
Hey everybody, this is NewsNowSeattle. I'm in downtown Everett to do a follow-up to the video in which I was arrested on a charge of trespassing in the second degree. I was charged with trespass in the second degree. The case was adjudicated here at the Everett Municipal Courthouse, and in mid-October the charges were dismissed with prejudice. With prejudice means the charges cannot be refiled. Charges were dismissed because there were no grounds for arrest. When the case was concluded, the judge looked at the prosecuting attorney and verbally admonished him by saying, in a stern voice, "This is the correct outcome in this case." The prosecuting attorney really wanted to fight this out. Now, I'm not going to recommend that everyone go out and get arrested, but actually going through the legal process was rather interesting and quite eye-opening. There's no doubt in my mind that the system is very broken and very wasteful. I had to appear before the judge on 4 specific occasions. 3 of those could have been handled via email, and the last one was to dismiss the charges. The process is also very, very wasteful. I figure it costs the city roughly $500 to keep me in jail for the day. The 4 court appearances, considering the judge's time, overhead, processing fees, probably $5,000. The officer's time for them being on scene, writing up the reports, probably in the vicinity of another $5,000. So all totaled, the city of Everett spent roughly $10,000 on a non-existent trespass charge. On a side note, and as an example of how broken the system is, during one of my appearances in court, there was a man who was arrested, held in jail for 3 days, and then ultimately pled guilty to a charge of illegal camping. This was a homeless man, pled guilty to illegal camping, so when he was arrested they took all of his stuff and threw it away, brought him into court. They gave him a suspended sentence of 364 days in jail, credit for the 3 days served. So they arrested him, put him in jail for 3 days, threw away all of his stuff, and then kicked him out the door with a fresh charge and no home. Completely wasteful. Here we are at the scene of the alleged crime. I came here on July 5th, one day after we celebrate our independence, to show that our military respects our First Amendment rights to film in public. Well, that didn't happen. Not only did they not respect our First Amendment rights, they called the police, and when the police arrived, they lied to the police and on the reports committing perjury. Oh, just doing some public photography. How about yourself?
Just making sure I don't have somebody that needs doing something that they shouldn't be doing.
What shouldn't I be doing? According to the report he gave to the police, Lohr stated that I began filming, and then after some time he came out, talked to me, and asked me to leave. That's not true. As soon as I started filming, he came out and asked me what I was doing, and at no point asked me to leave. In addition, Lohr stated I asked what they do here. That's not true. It's pretty damn obvious what they do here. During my interaction with the Everett Police Department, they violated my 14th Amendment rights by soliciting a charge of trespass from the manager here at Petco. When Petco manager Steve Pulliam was asked by the Everett Police Department if he wanted me trespass from the property, this eager bootlicker responded by saying, "Yeah, he's not spending money here. I don't want him here trespassing." Have all the tenants on this building asked me to leave?
That's not the point.
There's quite a bit of confusion over trespassing. The question is, can one person, one store manager, trespass you from the entire property? The answer is no. The store manager can trespass you from his storefront. Only the property owner can trespass you from the property. In addition to which, CFR 41420 states that reporters, citizens, can take photos of federally owned or leased facilities for news purposes. This, in fact, invalidates some property owner rights if you lease property to a federal facility. If you lease property to an armed forces recruiting center, You have to allow citizens to come to your property and film, photograph the storefront.